Thanks, bird. Go away now. But you're done. Today we're going to prove RainX. If the bird will leave us alone, any old glass cleaner will do. Original formula RainX. Original, right there, that's important. And blue shop towels. They're not lint-free, but they're better than paper towels. If you're not familiar with RainX, you simply don't know what you're missing. This really makes a difference in the rain and the snow. I'm going to go ahead and clean the whole thing with ammonia-based window cleaner first. Then I'm going to treat half of the window with RainX. Fold my little blue towel over and squirt RainX on the towel, rubbing it all over the windshield in circular patterns. And we want to let that RainX dry to a haze on the front of the windshield. So in the meantime, I like to do my mirrors and my side windows too, because they stay cleaner. Inside, I don't like to use RainX because it kind of fogs up too much. But being a brand new windshield here, I'm going to go ahead and clean the windshield inside and out. Then polish off the RainX once it dries to a haze. Ray is our guest star today. No RainX? With RainX. I don't even need wipers on. I can't imagine trying to drive through that.
No.